Hi there.
How's it going?
Pretty good. How you doing?
Nice! A unicorn ghost, right?
Yeah.
Very.
Run, boys! Run! Alright, gamers, we've got the bounty. Operation success. Go.
Understandable. We're supposed to see each other
Hi there.
How much candy in there? You can eat it? I guess they have.
Hi there. Good. How are you doing?
Okay. Alright. The bounty is plentiful. The bounty is plentiful. David, is a bounty plentiful?
Plenty.
Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe if you enjoyed, and remember, you're never too old to enjoy Halloween.